Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over all of the good deals and glitches that are going on at Dollar General this week, and we have over 80 deals to go over. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because y'all know I put in a lot of hours into making this video, and that would really help me out. Super easy, quick, and a free way that y'all can help support this channel. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. All right guys, let's jump right in. Alright, so first up, for anyone who is new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They are a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each item with your app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the deals, and like I said, we have an absolute ton of deals going on this week at Dollar General. Some of the deals are older deals we've had in the past couple of weeks, but the majority of them are brand new deals. Now, as I'm sure a lot of y'all have noticed, I like to pack in as many deals as I can into one video. That way, you all can come and watch one video, get all of the deals for that one specific store for the entire week, and you are good to go. So, I'm going to try to keep this video as short, sweet, and simple as possible. And with that being said, here in just a couple of minutes, I'm going to turn on a little background music, and I'm going to let these slides play through. They're pretty much self-explanatory. They have the product and the coupons on the screen, and then if I feel like I need to come back in and explain anything any further, I will definitely be popping back in and out throughout the video. Now, here are a couple of really awesome cereal deals that are going on this week at Dollar General, but I want you guys to pay very close attention and make sure that you scan each box of cereal that you all want to pick up, because we do have two sales going on with General Mills cereals. Certain cereals are on sale 2 for $5, and then other cereals are on sale 3 for $6. So you want to pick up 4 in each deal, use those coupons, and then make sure that you scan it to the coupons.com app and also fetch rewards. That way y'all can track toward those bonuses that are available on each app. Alright, now next up we have Old El Paso. This week at DG we have instant savings, and we have that DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $10 on participating General Mills products, and Old El Paso is included with that coupon. So here is the quick breakdown and a look at the products that you want to pick up. Use that 2 off 10 DG store coupon, and then don't forget to scan your receipt into the Fetch Rewards rebate app to work toward that bonus on there for General Mills products. Alright, now here's a few more products that y'all can use with that 2 off 10 DG store coupons. We have the Bugles, they're on sale, buy one get one for free. We have the Chex Mix 2 for $4 this week, and then we also have Totino's Pizza Rolls, which we do have a manufacturer coupon that's going to leave you paying $4.25. Here's a quick breakdown that y'all can do with that 2 off 10 DG store coupon. And again, if y'all pick up any of these products, make sure that you're scanning your receipts into the coupons.com app and also the Fetch Rewards rebate app, because on both apps we have bonuses for General Mills products. Alright guys, so jumping back in for just a quick second to make sure that everybody has had enough time to leave their smiles down in the comment section below for me, because we are about to head on into our household deals. And I know that this video is pretty fast paced, but we have a lot to go over. Y'all may actually need to watch the video a couple of times to make sure that you don't miss out on any of these deals. And as always, if you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section below and I will be sure to get back to you ASAP. Alright, now if everybody's had enough time to leave their smiles down in the comment section below, let's go ahead and get back into these deals, shall we? Now, the first few deals in the household category are on finished products. We have the dishwasher tablets and we also have the Jet Dry Rinse Aid. We have digital coupons to go along with all of these products. And then we also have a Fetch Rewards rebate. So here's a quick breakdown of one option, one deal that y'all can do with the 23 count tablets and the Jet Dry Rinse Aid. After your rebate on Fetch Rewards, it's going to make those just $2.45 each. Now, here's another option that y'all can do with the 12 count tablets. Just make sure that you ring those up in the order I have listed there. And then your final price is going to be $1.45 each. Alright, hey guys, I am back, popping in for just a quick second. Now, I wanted to go ahead and make sure that everybody has already left their smiles down in the comment section below for me. If you haven't already, go ahead and do that right now, because we are about to head on into the personal care category for this week, and man, there is a lot going on at Dollar General. We have instant savings, we have DG store coupons, we have manufacturer coupons, we have insert coupons, digital coupons, and rebates on top of everything else. So I really had to put in the time over the last couple of days putting all of these deals together. So again, if you haven't already, please help me out. Put a smile down in the comment section below and hit that thumbs up button, because those are 2 free, easy, and quick ways that y'all can help support this channel and tell YouTube, hey, this video is worth watching, so let's share it out to some more people. Alright, now first up, we have this awesome deal on the Scent Happy hand soaps. Those are on sale, buy 2 and get 1 for free. Plus, we have this DG store coupon, so that's going to leave you paying $1.75 for all 3. Alright, now moving on into our instant savings deal for this week. There's a lot included with the instant savings. We have Suave, Tresemme, St. Ives, Vaseline, Shea Moisture, and Caress. When you spend $8 on these products, you're going to instantly save $2 at the register. So y'all are going to see a lot of individual coupon matchups, plus I have some written out breakdowns for you all as well, where we are mixing and matching products. Alright guys, I'm back again, and here in just a few seconds y'all are going to see one of my favorite deals for this week, and it is on the Suave Pink shampoos and conditioners. These are priced at $4.45, and it's working with the instant savings and that DG store coupon for save $2 when you spend $6. Plus, the deal gets even better because right now on Ibotta, we have a $1.50 rebate back. So that's going to make your final price $1.90 for 2, making those just 80 cents each. Now, here is another option for you all. You can pick up one of the green shampoos and one of the pink shampoos. Use that 2 off 6 DG store coupon. And we have Ibotta rebates for the green shampoo and the pink shampoo. So that's going to make your final price $2.95 for 2, making those $1.47 each. Now up next, we have a couple of really awesome deals on Axe products this week at DG. We have a DG store coupon for $2 off 2, and we also have that buy one get one free insert coupon from the Unilever insert. So if you want to pick up the 2.7 ounce deodorants, those are priced at $5, and then one of the body sprays at $6. Use both of those coupons, and that's going to leave you paying $3 for 2. Or you could also pick up one of the 1.7 ounce deodorants at $2.95, and then one of the Axe body sprays. Use both of those coupons, and that's going to leave you paying 95 cents for 2. Alright guys, popping back in one last time to make sure that everybody's left their smiles down in the comment section below for me, because y'all know that absolutely makes my day. And let's just spread some positivity. Hopefully it'll put a smile on your face as well. Now, we are almost through all of the deals, and we are only at the 10-minute mark. Can y'all believe that? 80 deals in about 10 or 15 minutes? Pretty crazy, right? Now, we are about to head on into the glitch list. And I wanted to go ahead and give y'all a heads up that I did include some glitches into the personal care category. That way, whenever I was showing you all the individual deals and the written out breakdowns, it would just kind of flow and help you all understand better which products that I was talking about. So if y'all pay attention to the heading up at the top of my screenshots, I have glitch list or daily deals pictured there. So y'all will know if it is a glitch or not. Alright, now taking a quick look at the glitch list for this week. A lot of these glitches are older glitches, but I wanted to go ahead and point them out to you all because those coupons, a lot of them do expire this Saturday. In particular, those Crest and Oral-B coupons. Now, all three of them, we have the 3 off 2, the 5 off 3, and the 6 off 4. All three of them are working on all 4 of the products. So we have the Oral-B toothbrushes. We have 2 of those, the Healthy and Clean and Bright and Clean. We also have the Crest Pro Health and the Crest with Scope toothpaste for $1. So if you guys haven't used up those coupons yet, make sure to be on the lookout for those products this week while those coupons are still working and giving us overage. Alright guys, so there you have it. We have made it to the end, and I have now shared with you all over 80 deals that y'all can do this week at Dollar General. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I wish each and every one of you good luck with your couponing this week, and I hope y'all can get out there and save a ton of money. Now, before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. While you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button for me and leave me a smile down in the comment section below if you haven't already. And then if you have an extra second, go ahead and share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.